Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, watch it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, the apartment is a mess. So this video is going to be a two-parter. I'm going to show you how I am cleaning the apartment and then do a deep clean of the bathroom. It's been a couple of weeks. I know, weeks, right? Disgusting. And the bathroom is absolutely a mess. So I wanted to show you guys how I am cleaning and also redecorating a little bit. The things that I had in the bathroom, I have had literally for so long. So I want to do a refresh of the space and clean it all up. This is going to be an epic deep clean, so I hope you guys are ready for it. I also hope you guys enjoy all of my cleaning motivation videos. If you are new to my channel and you've never seen a video of mine, I love cleaning videos. I love watching people clean, and I also love cleaning myself. So if you like that, then I will have my playlist linked up above of all of my cleaning videos, and leave any recommendations or any kind of like video recommendations you want me to film for you guys. I'll be happy to film for you guys. And my arms are killing me right now while holding up this camera. I keep telling myself I need a vlogging camera and I always forget. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and let's get cleaning. Alright, so this is the current situation of the bathroom. It is an absolute mess. I won't show you the toilet, but it is so gross. And this is all of my cleaning, my organizing stuff that I'm going to show you guys. This is put inside, so I'll pretty much leave it the same underneath. But underneath my cabinet, I just have a bunch of like beauty stuff, and I accumulate them even though I feel like I use it all up. So I'm going to go through here and just get rid of things I no longer need or should want in my space, just to make it a lot neater for me. So yeah, and then I want to go through here and add some organizers just to get everything all nice and neat, all of my hair stuff, and just wipe all my makeup stuff down, and then clean the shower, and also just reorganize this part a little bit, get rid of anything that expired or anything that I don't need anymore, and we should be good to go. And then also a lot of dust accumulates on the floor. So I want to just clean the baseboards and make them all nice and clean and shiny. So the first thing I like to do is clean the floor mats and the towels while I'm cleaning. This just gets them out of the way while I am cleaning the entire bathroom. And because they're white, they get dirty often, so we typically will wash them once a week.
Memories, now I just don't really care what you feel, what you feel, what you feel.
And then once that's done, I'm tackling underneath my counter, and I have these little storage shelves that I got from Target. I think those are actually supposed to be in the kitchen, but they work just as well and they're really affordable. So of course, all of the storage items that I do have and will show you guys, I'll have them linked down in the description box below. I love them. They keep everything nice and organized and perfect for the space.
Over me, over me, over me, oh. Advertising, you were not meant for me, still not surprising. Need no apologies, cause I just don't really care what you think, what you think, what you think. Shame on me, thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh, got me like ooh. Ain't no fun recognizing your mistakes. Got me like ooh. My head, yeah, prayers from my Savior.
smaller containers came from the Container Store. I love them so much. I have them everywhere, and I'm using them to hold my clips, my bobby pins, and hair ties. And then I have that longer one you'll see holding my brushes and small combs, and it actually is able to sit on top of the shelf. So I'm able to put my larger combs and brushes on the actual drawer and then have that sit on top, so giving me a lot more space.
Double moral bitterness is not my time, but it's hell it kinda works on you. You got me paper thin, doing concrete things, loving romance in the madness. You got me good, baby, keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. To drama, it keeps you sleeping at night. Keep losing your shit on my problems. You know that something ain't right. Blaming me for causing your insanity. I'm pretty sure you're born like this.
I completely rearranged my bottom two drawers. At first I had my skincare on the bottom and then my makeup on the top, but I decided instead of bending over all the time, I wanted to just organize it in the way that I use it the most. So my second shelf will be my daily skincare as well as my daily makeup, and then my bottom shelf will have all of my travel necessities and any extra makeup and skincare items that I don't use, or maybe I bought extra and I needed a place to put it.
I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. You got me paper thin, doing concrete things, got me romance in the madness.
All of the clear containers came from the Container Store, and all of the solid white ones came from IKEA that I've had for quite some time. I think I actually filmed a video with those storage containers.
You already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up.
You sing out your frustration, just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement, God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls, 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make.
I just want to tidy up the medicine cabinet a little bit. We had items stored all over, so I'm kind of putting them in order of importance, like feminine care items. I don't reach for every day, but I do reach for all of the first aid stuff and the medicine, because I feel like something is always wrong with me.
Be the one that said, oh, I told you so, but I told you so.
I love to use Clorox in my toilets and in my tubs just to clean all the bacteria. I feel like it's not clean unless I use Clorox. I don't know why, but to protect my hand, I have these blue gloves. So I always use the blue ones to clean in the bathroom for the tub and the toilet.
Keep on acting out like strangers. Scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes. So change your heart. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. You never give me any chance. Watch me on my way out. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
Falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter. I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes. Down deep and under, we're stuck in this pattern.
Alright, so now it's time to refresh the space. I've had this Target shower curtain since I got my apartment and I love it, but I really wanted something more relaxed and clean, so I got this shower curtain. It was so affordable from HomeGoods. If you guys are looking for a really good decor, HomeGoods is right up your alley. I feel like they have the best prices. Target will have really good prices, but they had a shower curtain that was similar to this, and I think it was around $20, and I was like, I am not gonna pay that much, but I will pay $16.99. And then these little towels are from DKNY at HomeGoods, and they were $12.99, and I thought they were so pretty for spring. Definitely add a pop of color to this space.
I don't know the reasons, I'm not sure I really care. We're all of our demons.
And then I'm doing a quick update to the wall art. I just painted a quick eucalyptus branch to go with my So Fresh and So Clean quote and pop that up there, and then just adding a new plant. This was actually in the living room, but I brought it out, this bamboo.
You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let.
And I think the bathroom looks amazing. It looks so fresh and so clean, perfect for spring and summer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely subscribe if you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. Bye!
Pull me back into your river, swim a little deeper.